Hello friends, this is Binay Kumar Sahai, retired Principal District Judge. Today I will share my views on the provisions of the Act, the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act 2007. This Act has come into force in the year 2007. The provisions under the Act are not traveled by the family courts. Rather, it is traveled by administrative side. Sometimes it is found that the old parents or senior citizens are maltreated by their children and relatives. The property owned by the senior citizens are taken away, and the senior citizens are compelled to take shelter at the old age home, or they are reduced to the position of destitutes. The act has come into existence, but many people do not know about this act. I inquired from several persons, but most of them expressed their ignorance regarding this act. So I feel it desirable that it may be brought to your knowledge so that every person should be aware. The section 4 of this act says that a senior citizen, including parents who is unable to maintain himself from his own earning or out of property owned by him, shall be entitled to make an application against one or more of his children, not being a minor. The children should not be a minor, because if the application is filed, then it is conditioned that the children should not be minor, or the relatives should not be minor. In this act, the word relative has also been included, and I will explain later. Parents and grandparents against one or more of his children not being a minor, and B, senior citizen against such of his relative. Now, section 2 is the obligation of children or relative, as the case may be, to maintain a senior citizen extends to the needs of such citizen, so that senior citizen may lead a normal life. The obligations of the children to maintain his or her parents extends to the needs of such parents, either father, mother, or both, as the case may be, and the case so that this such parent may lead a normal life. Now, section 4 further says that any person being a relative of a senior citizen and having sufficient means shall maintain such senior citizen, provided he is in possession of the property of such senior citizen, or he would inherit the property of such senior citizen. This is the very important condition, that why relative has been included under this act. Because if a senior citizen has no issue and he dies, thereafter the near relatives will succeed. They will inherit the property of the senior citizen. That is why the relative has been included. Section 7 of the Act mandates that the tribunal shall be presided over by an officer not below the rank of subdivisional officer of the state. The word tribunal is also very important. The word tribunal denotes that any person or any officer who is not below the rank of subdivisional officer shall be the tribunal. It means the legislature has mandated that some experienced officer of the administrative side will try the case and pass order accordingly, Section 9 says that children or relatives, as the case may be, do not maintain senior citizen, then the tribunal shall order for payment of maintenance the amount not exceeding 10,000 rupees. There is limit that the amount should not be more than 10,000 rupees, and further, if some order has been passed by any civil court or family court, then the order passed by the subdivisional officer shall be modified or shall be altered accordingly. So there cannot be two orders simultaneously. I have written two books. One is on matrimonial laws, marriage, divorce, maintenance, and custody of child, and other matrimonial laws with latest citations of judgments. And another book is Trial Before a Court of Session, that is based on only Supreme Court cases. If you will like to have these books, then you can search in Amazon and get it from Amazon. And the photo and the main page of these books shall be displayed on the first page. Thank you very much.